Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are in conversation with Mr. Sunil Mehta, who is the president of Automation Industry Association, and they have organized one event at the Hosur. That event is going to be a knowledge and technical session for the automation industry, and let's hear from him what they are having to discuss with us regarding the event. So before actually diving into the event, sir, I would like to know the background, the history of AIA. Could you please give us details about it?
Thank you very much for this opportunity. AI is an Automation Industry Association, was established somewhere in 2004, and basically the objective was to promote automation in Indian industries as well as in the academia. So AI has got couple of objectives. So we talk about mainly the automation, and we talk about connectivity, government connect, as well as the academia, industry and academia connect. So AI works on these three major principles, and we have a lot of partners who are the principal partners, who are the founder partners, and they are all from the industrial automations. And the AI objective is to keep this entire forum is irrespective of the brand diagnosis. So I would like to say that various brands who are present in India for the factory automation, they are the founder members for the AI.
Okay. So probably AIA is also working, prominently for the smart manufacturing. And manufacturing, as we were discussing earlier, manufacturing is becoming a very discussed and very focused area for the Indian economy. And because of the campaign Make in India or things like that. So smart manufacturing could be a very helpful thing to discuss. So and AIA is prominently working on it. So what are your thoughts on smart manufacturing and how AIA is working on it?
AI recently has successfully organized one of the event in Pune during the December with our Unipro is one of our agency who is associated with us, and they have AI and Unipro has successfully with the industry partners. We did a very successful event in December, and similar event we are now planning in Hosur. So our focus is mainly for the automation for smart manufacturing. Today we are talking about smart manufacturing industry 4.0. The Japanese perspective of smart manufacturing is e-factory. So all these areas, the smart manufacturing, but the backbone of any smart manufacturing or digitalization is an automation. So we need to have an automation in the manufacturing industry. And as you correctly said that Make in India, and if you see the manufacturing overall is growing in all, not only in automotive but other pharmaceutical, F&B, textile and plastic and all these areas, the manufacturing within India is quite increasing. And plus there is a lot of foreign investment is coming in for the manufacturing in India. So we have a lot of scope for automation first. And once automation is in place, then smart manufacturing or industry 4.0 or implementation of e-factory will be possible. So our objective is that we should have the industry people, the academia people should be aware of foundations for the industry 4.0 or e-factory. So that's the basic idea.
So my next question to you was like that only, how automation is helpful, how automation can bring a change in a perspective to get contributed to the manufacturing sector, how it is important.
Automation, I'm working in this industry for more than 32 years as of now. So I started with my career in factory automation, and we were the PLC manufacturers, and now I'm part of Mitsubishi Electric India, where we are also focusing on factory automation products mainly. The factory automation products are like PLCs, HMIs, variable frequency drivers, servo systems. Then we have got switch gears and robotics and cobots nowadays, and the CNC controllers. So these are all the components of factory automation, and these products or these factory automation products are essential for any automation purpose. Last 20 years the Indian industry, or maybe the manufacturing industry, I can say that has evolved, and many people are adopting automation at various levels. If you talk about the big OEMs like Suzuki, then Maruti and Toyota, Tata Motors, Mahindra, Bajaj and TVS, a lot of automation is already applied on the shop floor. And now, since we have seen the COVID, and prior to that, the pharmaceutical industry was also growing in India. And now there are many industries in India where pharmaceutical medicines are produced, and there automation is the key. For any pharmaceutical industries or F&B industries, you talk about any biscuit manufacturing plant, or you talk about any juice packaging the volumes are very high and you need an automation. And automation plays a key role where in fact now robotics, last couple of years, even during pandemic and since we have introduced cobots in India. Mitsubishi has got a lot of robots for various automation purpose. So these are the products, are factory automation products, and they are essential components for digitalization or smart manufacturing. So automation is a must nowadays.
Great to hear about the automation from you, sir. So, AI is also coordinating with the academia and jointly doing a work in the field of automation. So, I would like to know how AI is jointly coordinated with the academia and how bringing the change to the table.
See, what is happening is that the central government is also now has initiated the skill development program, and so for that, what we are doing is that AI is working with the industry, mainly academia. You talk about various universities or IITs or something like that. IIT Delhi, we are a part of Factory Foundation for Smart Manufacturing. We call it as an FSA. In Pune University, we have got C4FLM. So these are the various skill centers, and AI is also supporting those activities. So where we are developing the training programs for the not only for the industries but for the academia and the faculties who should understand this digitalization journey, or maybe e-factory or industry 4.0 smart manufacturing, where there are various buzzwords. We talk about big data, we are talking about small data, then we are talking about IoT, IIoT. So the objective is that the universities or the academy or the faculty should have adequate knowledge of all this. AI also supports the universities for setting up the curriculums. So we are also trying to work with the various institutions and the universities where we can set up their curriculum for the third year or fourth year graduation. So where people will be aware of all these new technologies. We're talking about AI, we're talking about ML, machine learning and artificial. So all these are the part of digitalization, and it is very, very important that our faculty or our students should have the knowledge before they came out of the graduation program. So that is the AI one of the objectives.
That is very true, sir. The way you're working with in accordance with the academia. So coming to the event session and talking about the event which is taking place at the Hosur, and which is a technical session come webinar, and there's going to be a knowledge session for the automation industry. So could you give us an insight about what attendees can expect from the event?
Yeah, this event, after the successful edition in Pune in December, we planned to have this session in Hosur, looking at the various end customers in Hosur and industrial area. So we can see that there are many two-wheeler manufacturers and four-wheeler manufacturers in and around Hosur area. Plus there are various small and medium scale industries. So we thought that the agenda is designed in such a way that there will be various sessions and panel discussions where we will have discussions about the latest technologies coming from Japan, technologies coming from Europe, and which are the technologies which are suitable for our manufacturing industries, which are the affordable technologies for small industries as well as the medium scale industries, where they can go for industry 4.0 or they can go for digitalization, they can have a connectivity of the sensors to the ERP level or MES implementation, data acquisition. So all these things we are trying to see that we give good sessions on these technical aspects, so that the people who are attending this event can have a good takeaway and throughout the event.
So we all are jointly inviting you for this great event which is going to take place at Hosur on 24th of the March. So you all will be definitely experiencing a great technical knowledge session regarding the automation. Thank you so much, everyone.